Hey everyone, it's Sean with Pew Pew Tactical, and today we're doing a field strip and reassembly of the Smith Wesson Equalizer. To begin, press the magazine release and remove the magazine. Next, pull the slide to the rear and lock it into place with the slide stop. Next, pull the takedown lever all the way down. Now, release the slide while holding backward pressure and gently release it forward all the way off the frame. From here, push the recoil spring in and then release it down to remove it from the slide. Finally, push down on the barrel and pull back to free it from the slide. This concludes takedown of the Smith & Wesson Equalizer. For more information on concealed carry firearms, head over to our guide on pewpewtactical.com. The link is below in the description. For reassembly, begin with the slide, reinsert the barrel, and pull it back until it seats. Now, reinsert the recoil spring, but be careful to make sure that the back plate of the recoil spring was oriented in a fashion where the round portion is up toward the barrel or facing toward you. So you're going to compress the recoil spring and get it into the rounded seat of the lug on the barrel. Should look like this. Now, reassemble by adding the slide back on the frame by inserting the rails through the slide. Pull it all the way back and lock the slide into place using the slide stop again. Now, release the takedown lever back into its original position and release the slide. This completes reassembly. Now, let's do a function test. Make sure that you compress the grip safety, point the weapon in a safe direction, and pull the trigger back and hold it down. Now, rack the slide while holding the trigger down, then release the trigger for reset. Now you can press the trigger again. Final test, reinsert the magazine, pull the slide to the rear for last round hold open. This weapon is functioning fine. This has been the field strip and reassembly of the Smith & Wesson Equalizer. For more information, please head over to pewpewtactical.com, your definitive source for gear, guides, gun reviews, and all things that go bang.